Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukairude. Madatsukairude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I repaired the 2009 Nissan Versa. I replaced the starter. So this morning, my daughter just tried to use the car and it didn't start. First I thought it's battery, but the battery was fine, and the jump it didn't really work with jump starting. So I decided to replace the starter. It was a little bit tricky, but it's not really too bad. So this is how it went. So this is 2009 Nissan Versa. This morning my daughter told me that it doesn't really start, and let's try. It doesn't do anything. And actually, in front of my car, I already have a Jeep parking, and I tried to jump start, but it didn't work. So I suspect it's the starter. So I'm gonna get the starter and then try to replace it. Okay, first I'm gonna disconnect the battery. So actually, I checked the starter price on the web, and they already have the starter, and but the price includes the core, so it's better to remove the current one and bring it in, and then exchange to the new one. It's actually a rebuilt one though, so it's hard to see, but the starter is down there. If I remove this, the intake and this water reservoir, I can access there, and it looks like there are two bolts fixing the starter. So I'm gonna start taking apart. So I'm gonna use the push pin tool, removal tool. So I'm gonna use this tool. I found this is the locking mechanism, so it's only, I hope you can see it here. You just push against this and then it's gonna come out. It's easy. If you know it, it's easy. If you don't know it, it's tricky. Now I see this guy is the starter. So this is the starter, I think the connector. And there's one screw here, another screw is here. So one up here and down there. And also that. And another one, I'm going to remove this cover. I think it's easier to remove the big one first. So I'm gonna use the 12mm socket. And I realized the other one, the terminal is also 12. Oh no. No, this is a different one. So I have a smaller one about the longer one. It's after 8mm. .75, it moved a little bit, but it clicked. It's amazing, it seized. Okay, it moved. How about this side? Okay, this guy is. So this is where I'm struggling. I actually loosened this bolt. It's broke, and this guy is still tight, and this cable is actually kind of on the way, so I'm gonna cut this guy. It's much better. I see the nut. Okay, I think it's loose. This is tough. It's off. I hope it's gonna come out on top. That's tough. We have to clean the hose. Huh. Okay, great. So I think I'm gonna get the replacement starter now. Okay, I got the new starter from O'Reilly. It looks like there's a pad, and I think the sticky pad, but otherwise I think it's same. I checked it in the shop, so I can just install this. This bolt actually has the anti-loose the grease kind of thing. I didn't put anything extra. I think it's hard to finger tight. I cannot really tighten it with the torque wrench because of this movement. It is really tight space. If I remove the fan, maybe I can, but I tightened it with the different wrench. That's a very long arm wrench, so I think this I got enough torque, but I don't know the torque number. That's the problem, but I think that's fine. I think I'm gonna just leave it as is. So now I'm gonna put the terminal back on. You see the thick one, the other one is here. So these are the two terminals. This one and this one. I'm gonna tighten the thick one now. Okay, I think that's close enough. And I put this cap here. For the cap. Okay, now cap is on. Okay, now I'm gonna I'm down all of them, so I'm gonna put back the water reservoir. Okay. Okay, let's see how it goes. Yay! Okay, now it's fixed. So it was starter. That's great. And it was really easy. Once you know how to do most of the starters, replacement or other replacement, that was actually easier side. I would say a little bit the small space, working space was the tough part, and also releasing the bolt and also removing the coolant reservoir was a little bit tricky, but it was not really that bad. Okay, I'm gonna stop my video here, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.